discovering the holy grail of lead battery performance.
Many have tried, but none have been so close to commercializing a product at this scale.
Until now.
Years of R&D and the collaboration between Silicon Joule and East Penn Manufacturing has developed the first commercial-ready lead battery bipole design.
Its performance and uniform power flow is really remarkable. It also has 3 times the cycle life of a regular AGM battery design. And last but not least, its recyclability and safety characteristics are the same as a standard lead battery technology.
The Silicon Joule GC2 delivers cycling performance with the proven cost, safety, and recycling attributes of lead batteries. We are now shipping to battery companies, scaling output with East Penn, and planning 12 to 48 volt designs and capacity worldwide.
In an energy landscape where reliability, safety, and sustainability are essential, ETICAG is advancing battery technology with an integrated safety system designed to change the expectations of the entire industry. The core of our approach is a 2-layer architecture built to be proactive, not reactive. First, immersion cooling submerges every cell in a non-toxic, high fire point fluid. This keeps cells at ideal temperatures, prevents hotspots, and stops fires before they start, allowing for safer energy storage systems that can be confidently deployed anywhere. Second, our gas management system contains off-gases and routes them through a proprietary neutralization pathway, converting toxic and flammable gases into safe, inert air. This protects people, property, and the environment from harmful battery gases. What makes ETICAG unique is simple. Our batteries don't burn. The result is energy storage that provides measurable value to our customers, safety to their communities, and proof that the future of energy storage can be cleaner, safer, and uncompromisingly reliable.
In today's world, lead batteries power critical applications, from telecom and industrial equipment to UPS systems and modern vehicles. Today, lead batteries have to do more than they ever have before to help support power reliability, meet increased performance requirements of the future, and achieve environmental sustainability goals. This is where advanced lead batteries come in. Hollingsworth Vose, in collaboration with ArcActive, has developed GEM, a glass electrode material that replaces traditional lead grids with engineered glass fiber technology. Lead-acid battery using GEM plates delivers up to 3 times better charge acceptance without water loss concern, significantly improves the automotive start-stop performance, and cycling reliability. The technology can even enable AGM or flooded batteries to charge faster, leading to higher turnover capacity. With GEM plates optimized to being as stiff and robust as traditional plates, the technology has been designed to work with all downstream automation equipment used for battery manufacturing. For those familiar with AGM, GEM uses similar types of microglass fibers, but is specially made for embedding and holding negative active mass. Most importantly, GEM improves battery performance and reduces lead usage, advancing a more sustainable future for lead battery technology. Hollingsworth Vose, creating a cleaner world through materials innovation.
LICAP Technologies is a full-stack battery electrode developer and manufacturer operating out of Sacramento, California. Our signature technology is the patented activated dry electrode process, which replaces the traditional wet coating process and leads to significant reductions in cost, energy use, and emissions, while completely removing the toxic solvent NMP. Our activated dry electrode process is at the forefront of the dry electrode revolution. Through our 300 megawatt line at our Sacramento facility, in addition to our strategic partnerships in both the Asian and European markets. LICAP is also a manufacturer of high-quality ultracapacitors, whose rapid charge and discharge capabilities and long life cycles make them ideal for many applications, including energy storage systems and data centers. LICAP Technologies is ready to usher in the future of battery manufacturing. Find out more at www.licaptech.com.
At Proterra, we manufacture batteries for commercial transportation and equipment manufacturers that are making the shift to zero-emissions products. The transportation sector is the largest source of greenhouse gas emissions in the U.S. While medium and heavy-duty vehicles only account for 5% of all vehicles on the road today, they contribute nearly 30% of all transportation emissions annually. Proterra's long-lasting battery solutions help reduce emissions and drive fleet electrification, prioritizing safety, durability, and environmental responsibility. Through extensive testing and proven technology, we deliver industry-leading solutions. And we're building them right here in the U.S. with innovative design expertise in California and state-of-the-art manufacturing located in South Carolina. Our values guide everything we do. We believe that building a sustainable future starts with bold ideas and determination to bring them to life through innovation. Leading transformation means continuously improving our products, services, and processes while keeping our customers' needs at the forefront. And we know that real progress happens through collaboration. By uniting our strengths, our skills, and our experience, we all achieve more together. Together with our partners, we are powering the shift to a sustainable future, innovating, leading, and building a cleaner world for generations to come.
AI data centers power usage are staggering. They want 99.999% uptime. They do not want to sacrifice compute for anything. When you talk gigawatt scale data center, 30 to 80% of the data center swings multiple times per minute. A gigawatt, just for reference, is about the equivalent of 1 million homes worth of power. When you start talking gigawatt scale, those are loads that are large enough to potentially cause a rolling blackout that could take out an entire grid. They're using the lithium-ion batteries to help fill in the power volatility. They're designed to cycle once per day. If you're talking 6 to 12 cycles per minute, you're putting it through cycles that it's not designed to be put through. They're not even lasting 6 months. So you're turning generators and lithium-ion batteries into consumables. Otherwise, you'll get hyperfocus in a cell, which creates thermal runaway, which is how they catch on fire. What's unique to vanadium flow batteries compared to lithium-ion, no thermal runaway. They can also charge and discharge at the same time. With TerraFlow energy solution, where you're running through the battery instead of switching to the battery, what it does is it acts as a shock absorber and a filter.
As an investor, I always look for a high-performance culture, and these guys are as good as it gets.
The Terra Supreme Group 31 Bipolar V or LAB AGM battery is a next-generation lead-acid battery designed to deliver higher performance with lower environmental impacts. It replaces traditionally made grids with a lightweight composite current collector made from sea glass yarn and pure lead. This fully recyclable design could reduce U.S. lead usage by more than 230 million pounds per year. A proprietary phase change encapsulation forms a rigid, shock-resistant block and creates sealed oxygen recombination chambers. This construction has been proven in marine and airborne environments for decades. Automated U.S. manufacturing lowered production costs while delivering 105 amp hours, over 25 kilowatts of instant power, and up to 4,000 cycles at 50% depth of discharge. This bipolar VR LAB AGM battery eliminates grid intergranular corrosion and electrolyte stratification, providing the battery industry with a lighter, longer life, commercially scalable solution for transportation, renewable energy, and grid storage.
Most battery systems today are monitored electrically. We track voltage, we track temperature, but here is the truth. The most serious safety risks begin chemically, long before the voltage ever moves. Because we can't see what's happening inside, we have become afraid and retire battery early. We limit their second life and throw away perfectly good energy because we lack confidence and we are guessing. The sensor cell is a new architecture. It's a sacrificial witness. It doesn't deliver power. Its only job is to live alongside your battery and age, but age faster. It's the canary in the coal mine for the battery age. We don't need to hack into proprietary software. We don't need to modify a single production cell. Just by targeting specific chemical markers with simple optics, we turn a high-stakes guess into a precise measurement. If we can see the chemistry, we can change the outcome. We can make safer decisions and can extend the life of our planet's resources. We can finally approach the energy transition with certainty. Battery health today is still inferred. The sensor cell is an idea that asks what happens when it's observed.